Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Reynolds with B.O.R.E.D, Better Off Reading Every Day. Today we have two rainy books for you. The first one is Wind, a first look at the gusty wind. The second one is going to be Rain, the first look at the splashing rain. And of course, I am trying this outdoors while it's raining just to make sure that we get the full steam and power of the rain. It's not going to stop us from having a good time, right? We got our gear on and we're ready to go. Wind. Whatever the Weather, Wind by Lauren Taylor. What is wind? Wind is air that moves. You cannot see wind, but you can feel the wind on your skin. You can hear it blowing leaves on the trees. How do we use wind? Wind helps some boats move. The wind blows on the sails. This pushes the boat along. Sometimes we use wind to make power for our homes. Feel the breeze. A light wind is called a breeze. A breeze can keep you cool on a warm day. Gale. A very strong wind is called a gale. Gales can snap tree branches. They can even blow down old trees. Hurricanes and tornadoes. We call the strongest wind a hurricane or tornado. A hurricane is strong enough to blow down a house. A tornado is a swirling wind that hangs down from a storm cloud. Winds and plants. Some plants use wind to scatter their seeds. The wind blows on the plant, it carries the seed. They land on new soil where they can grow. Making waves. The wind makes waves in the sea. Waves bob boats up and down. Gales can make very big waves. On the wing. Animals also use the wind. Birds use the wind to help them fly. Some birds can glide on the wind. They go without flapping their wings for a long time. What to wear. Strong winds can blow your hair around. You can wear a hat to keep it in place. In the winter, the wind can be very cold. Dress warm when you go outside. Windy weather fun. You can go to the top of a hill to fly a kite in the wind. The wind is stronger up high. This helps your kite lift into the air. And this is our glossary. Breeze, a light wind. Gale, a very strong wind. Glide, to fly without power. Hurricane, a violent storm with heavy rain and high winds. Electricity, or the other forms of energy, a large piece of canvas that moves a boat by catching the wind. That's a sail. Seed, the part of the flowering plant from which a new plant can grow. Soil, the top layer of dirt where plants grow. Tornado, a violent windstorm that appears as a dark funnel hanging down from a cloud. And that is the end of wind. My favorite page in this book would be the one about the kite, and I will tell you why. This one. Special shout out to Grayson, who when he gets picked up from after school and his dad says they're going home to fly a kite, he is done, he is out, jacket is on, bag is packed, he's out of here like that. He's going home to fly his kite, and I know exactly how he feels. I used to love flying kites when I was little. So that's why this page is my favorite. It says, windy weather fun. You can go to the top of a hill to fly a kite in the wind. The wind is stronger up high. This keeps your kite lift into the air. Now we have the rain. And this is also by Lauren Taylor. Rain. There are many kinds of rain. Light rain is called a drizzle, like what we're having behind me. Thunderstorms make heavy rain. It can rain all day or just for a few minutes. Why do we need rain? Rain is important. Without rain, there would be no rivers or lakes. Animals, fish, and birds need water. People use water to drink, wash, and cook. Why does it rain? Rain comes from clouds in the sky. A cloud is a group of water droplets. When the raindrops are heavy, they fall to the earth. This is rain. Thunderstorms have thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. Thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. Lightning is a flash of light. Thunder is a loud rumble. Too much rain. Heavy rain makes rivers overflow. The water rushes over the land. It can do a lot of harm. This is called a flood. Not enough rain. It does not rain for a while. Plants cannot grow. They may be too little water for everyone to use. This is called a drought. Rain and plants. Trees, flowers, and plants need rain to grow. If it is hot and dry, you must water plants yourself. Rainforest. Rainforests grow in hot places where it rains a lot. Trees grow high into the sky. Plants grow all over the ground. The plants grow quickly because of all the rain. Rainbows. Rainbows appear in the sky when the sun shines through the raindrops. You only see rainbows when it is raining and the sun is shining. Fun in the rain. Splash. It's fun to play in puddles. You can stay dry by wearing waterproof coat and rubber boots. You can also put up an umbrella. Glossary Cloud, a group of water droplets in the air. Drizzle, light rain. Drought, a long time without rain. Flood, an overflow of water. Lightning, a flash of light in the sky. Rainbow, an arc of colors caused by sunlight shining through water droplets. Rainforest, a dense forest where a lot of rain falls. Thunder, the loud sound that comes after lightning. Thunderstorm, a storm with heavy rain. Thunder and lightning. Waterproof, not allowing water to enter. The end of rain. And of course, you know I have to have a favorite page, and my favorite page is, well, I have two. I have rain and plants, when they say you have to water your plants yourself, which I love to do. And also my favorite was rainbows. Rainbows appear in the sky when the sun shines through the raindrops. You only see rainbows when it is raining and the sun is shining. So, boys and girls, you know why that's my favorite, because I just did a book the other day called Rainbow of My Own, and I love rainbows. I also love rain because I don't let rain stop me. I've told you before that I'm an expert puddle jumper. When it rains, I get my gear on since my daughter was little, and we go outside and we jump in puddles. And also, let's not forget, I do not own the rights to these stories that I'm reading to you, but I do love storytelling magic, and that's what I try to do for you every single day with B.O.R.E.D, Better Off Reading with Miss Reynolds. Every day. So, what are we going to do? Well, it's still raining here, and I have my gear on, so I thought what I would do is just give a quick jump, and then it's over. So this way, you have an idea what's going on.